Hello and welcome. This is a new format. I'm going to be winded because I've been going around a couple times, but today we are going to walk through the Blackhawk Farms track, and I'm going to try it this way to give you guys a little bit different of a perspective and try to talk through it a little bit slower than doing it while riding. But where we are right now is we are on the main straight, passing the building, the checkered line. You've got all of your driver meetings and tech over to the right, and all the really fancy, important, and fast people are usually over here. But here starts the one lap mark and now. So, as you're coming down this straight, you are going as fast as you can, as fast as you want. You start seeing braking zones on the left-hand side. 4, 3, 2, this is about where I start getting on the brakes pretty hard, especially on the front. Try not to do the rear. Dropping at least 2 to 3 gears in here since I'm in 6th. And at about this point here, I am starting my turn in. I come through, I look for that blue dot, which is the apex of the corner. I hit that apex and I continue on my line. Now this one's weird because at speed you kind of stay in a right hand lean to carry you over to the right side of the track to set up for the next series of lefts, which you're going to continue straight through here. See all the beautiful nature. We got another blue marker here of where you should be on the track, a red marker here of where you should start your turn in, to another blue marker here on the outside of where you can hit your apex. Sometimes you can go on those rubble strips if you'd like, but either way, you're going to now stay on the left side of the track as you carry yourself in to this turn. I don't know exactly what number turn this is, or if these lines are 100% instructor approved, but these are the lines that at least I ride. Now that you can see me and kind of come out here and go all 360, you can make your own judgment on it. So I came in a little bit too early, get your apex blue mark, and continue on my right-hander here. Now obviously, these lines are going to change based on your skill level, your bike, and your speed. So, after I hit that apex, I'm still leaning to the right-hand side to dive in to where we would like to call the bus stop, with a short little right to a short little left. We come back in to a hard right-hander. You're going to stay here, look for this fresh set of pavement, and hang a right. Again, aiming for this blue apex mark. You're going to want to carry that right into a left where you see your other blue apex mark, where I camp usually by the bus stop, so if you want to see what's up, into another long left where a blue mark indicating where your turn in is, and another blue for your apex over here. And this one's going to be a very long, late progressing left. Sort of interesting as we go past our Kawasaki advertisement here. We're still kind of running a little bit of a left lean. Remember, at speed, doing a lot more than this, even to where we will find our apex of our next left. Staying tight to the grass until we can find a straight enough line to exit. Coming into one of my favorite straights, where a lot of people end up going off-roading to that side. I get on it and get usually 1 extra gear, go from 3rd to 4th gear, and get to carry a good amount of speed. What speed it is, I don't know, but starting our braking at 4, 3, about where I start to brake 2, and where I drop a gear at 1, we turn in to the right. Now this is one of my favorites. You've got a blue marker for the the apex, you come uphill just slightly, you go over the crossover, staying on that right, to a very small baby right with an apex here. At this point in the track, I am 100% wide open throttle, absolutely flying up to this next jaunt to the right. So here's where I would call the long section, or what I would say the slow section for me. Because if anybody's close enough to me here, I get passed. Like, especially that guy who's got what looks like an Aprilia RS660 eats me alive here, because I cannot keep up. Still pretty impressive, but this is not where my 690 shines, or my riding skill even shines. So as you come in and see this beautiful sunset here, we've got a short right before the final turn back down the main straight. So this here, I'm almost still wide open blue apex here. It's very subtle into braking zone of 2, 1, downshift, blue apex into the final right-hander, staying on the newly paved asphalt, blue apex into a wide entry into the long straight. And this is where you hold on, folks, bang as many bigger gears as you can and veers after the track, and send her on home. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, at least walking through, you know, Blackhawk, seeing some of the race lines, and at least getting to experience slowly with me and a full spectrum of views that you can use to prep for your next time that you come to Blackhawk. If you enjoyed this format, or you think I'm a complete total idiot and riding the wrong lines, let me know in the comments down below. Give